So let's take a look here at Fairway Valley Golf Club. The course was built in 1969.
Let's go out here and see how impressive this 4.5 on Google, which is pretty high, out of 106 Google reviews. And we walked right in there with no tee time, set the tone for a Saturday round of golf, playing 9 holes. The clubhouse is pretty small, but they do have pastries, so let's zoom on in to Washington Township, New Jersey. For this beautiful 9-hole course tucked in the mountains, it really feels like you're outside of New Jersey. It's about an hour and 30 minutes from New York City. The course, well, it stretches just under 3,000 yards at 2,992 yards from those back tees. Played from the white tees today, got paired up with a great group of locals and learned about this area. You can see the apartments there, they're going to come into play. That's where this course really started in 1965 from what I was communicated inside from the pro shop. Now, outside of that, it could have been a dud. We could have a couple balls here just slapping it around. It wasn't the best round of golf in the beginning. The price was right at this facility, sitting within the $20 range to play a 9-hole course. It's well maintained and the conditions of the course are nice. Online, it's rated as one of the best 9-hole golf courses in New Jersey, and I might want to agree with them. You get nice scenic views. You can see the apartments there that were built right around the construction of the golf course, and from what we were told, the designer of the golf course had something to do with those apartments. Now, can't find any other information on the actual designer's name or the foundation of the history behind this area and the land, but overall this course was nice. If you get a chance to spend a day outside of the big city and you want to go out and just slap it around and hit whitey, this one course might be the spot for you. It has subtle charms here with this footbridge. It's definitely more of a walking friendly course. You don't want to go out here and take a cart. It's not needed. It's a par 35/36, and overall, again, for 20 something dollars, $30 to play the course, I think it's actually well maintained for that price range. Does it get a lot of play? From what we were told by the locals, this was a busy day to go out there and play, and we moved as quickly as we thought we could on a Saturday, but you can see the mountain views on some of these holes. The course has won multiple awards like Golf Advisory. In 2017, it is ranked 15th in the top courses in New Jersey, which doesn't even really make much sense when this is only a 9-hole course, but nonetheless, it has put that under its belt for golf designs. I think it's well engineered. It's a nice course for a 9-hole round of golf. Practicing, learning about golf. The tee boxes, you can probably play from the back tees and it's a whole different course. So if you did play another 9, I recommend playing different tee boxes at that time. Putting green surfaces are the highlight of the course. They rolled pretty well for a 9-hole quick practice golf course, one would say. I think that this even belongs within a $45 range if you were closer to New York City or Philadelphia. You're really outside of that ballpark, so it's a different atmosphere here. You see a lot of wildlife, a lot of trees cutting through, and overall I have nothing bad to say about this course. You can definitely score pretty well your second time around if you did play a full 18. Some of the greens were elevated, like number 1 and maybe number 7 and 8 as well. This was the closing hole here. Overall, there's a swimming pool right on the backhand side, not here. And again, the engineering marvels that took place at this golf course are started to be highlighted. Very subtlety. That's going to do it for our list. Keep a lookout for more videos to come. I'll give this course a 5.1 on our scale 1 to 10 for the Parfessor.